Before buying a car blower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. The Wolfbox MegaFlow 50 caught my eye with its impressive specs and affordability, priced at $35.99. If you want a powerful and portable air duster for cleaning your car and home, this is worth a serious look. This air duster reaches speeds up to 110,000 RPM, which means it can blast away dust and debris efficiently. Imagine cleaning your car's vents or your keyboard with that kind of power. It also features 3 adjustable speed settings, so you can customize the airflow depending on the mess you're tackling. Plus, it's rechargeable and lightweight at just 0.45 pounds, making it easy to carry around for all your cleaning tasks. With over 30,000 units sold in the past month alone, people are clearly loving it. Now, some users mention that it can take a while to charge fully, around 3.5 hours, which might be a bit annoying if you're in a hurry. Here's the thing though, once charged, it offers up to 240 minutes of use on the lowest setting, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective, portable solution for keeping your car and electronics dust-free. Skip this one if you need a blower with a longer runtime on high settings, or if you prefer something that charges faster. Now, if the charging time of the MegaFlow 50 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with charging speed.
Product number 2, Wolfbox MF60. The Wolfbox MF60, also priced at $35.99. Its sleek design and powerful features caught my attention. If you want a blower that can handle both delicate electronics and tougher jobs, this is a great option. What makes the MF60 stand out is its brushless motor, which can reach 110,000 RPM in the highest setting. This is perfect for blasting away microscopic dust from your gadgets or car interiors. It has 3 different speeds, allowing you to choose a gentle breeze for delicate tasks or an intense blast for tougher debris. Additionally, it comes with 5 different nozzles, which means it's incredibly versatile for any cleaning job you have in mind. With a long runtime of up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, it's a solid investment for anyone. However, a few reviews pointed out that the MF60 might be a bit bulkier to hold for extended periods, but honestly, the performance and battery life make up for it, especially for those who value efficiency. This is ideal for you if you want a powerful blower that's great for both home and car use. Skip this if you prefer a more compact design or need something lighter. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want even more power.
Product number 3, Kajiwaru Air Duster. Let's talk about the Kajiwaru Electric Air Duster, priced at $23.99. This one's great if you're looking for something budget-friendly without compromising on power. If you need a reliable cleaning tool for multiple surfaces, give this one a look. The Kajiwaru packs a punch with a speed of up to 130,000 RPM, making it an excellent choice for quickly removing dust and debris. It comes with a handy LED light, which is a nice touch when cleaning in low-light conditions. With 3 adjustable speeds, you can easily switch between gentle cleaning for electronics and a more powerful blast for things like car interiors. The included 5 nozzles makes it versatile for any cleaning task, whether it's your keyboard or your car vents. However, some users noted that the battery life might not be as long as desired on the highest speed. But honestly, for the price, it offers great value, and the 240 minutes on the lowest setting is quite impressive. This product is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet powerful blower that's easy to use. Skip this if you need something with a longer runtime for high-speed cleaning. Alright, if the battery life of the Kajiwaru was a concern, the next option might just have the solution for you.
Product number 4, Wolfbox MF100. The Wolfbox MF100 is next on the list, coming in at $79.99. This one's for those who want series power in their cleaning arsenal. If you want a heavy-duty air duster that can tackle any job, this is worth considering. With an incredible 150,000 RPM speed, this air duster can remove dust like nobody's business. It also has a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second, which means it can deal with even the most stubborn debris. The MF100 features multiple nozzles and brushes, making it perfect for cleaning not just your car, but also your tech gadgets and outdoor gear. Plus, it has a rechargeable battery that can be reused over 500 times, which is quite a perk for the environment and your wallet. The only downside?
It weighs a bit more at 0.66 pounds, which might make it less convenient for some users looking for ultra-light options. But honestly, the performance and long-term savings make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you need a robust air duster for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Skip this if you want something lighter and easier to handle for quick jobs. Now, if you're after a slightly more compact option, the last one on my list is worth checking out.
Product number 5, Vasen Air Duster. We have the Vasen Compressed Air Duster priced at $39.99. This one promises both power and portability. If you want a versatile cleaning tool that fits easily in your hand, this could be a great pick. The Vasen boasts a powerful brushless motor with speeds up to 260,000 RPM. That's some serious power for tackling everything from your car to your keyboard. It offers 3 speed settings and comes with multiple nozzles and a storage bag, which is fantastic for on-the-go cleaning. Plus, the fast charging time of just 3 hours means you won't be waiting around for it to be ready to use. However, it does weigh a little more at 1.1 pounds, which might be noticeable during extended use. But honestly, the powerful performance and versatility make it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a high-powered, multifunctional air duster that's great for a variety of cleaning tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something super lightweight.
So there you have it. We've covered the Wolfbox MegaFlow 50 and MF60, the Kajiwiru, the Wolfbox MF100, and the Vasen. Each one has its unique strengths, so whether you're after power, portability, or versatility, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and happy cleaning.